Quartz ceramic is a versatile non-metal material that stands up to extreme temperatures, making it perfect for producing high temperature-resistant products in the metallurgical and petrochemical industries with maximum use temperature exceeding 1650 摄氏度. Quartz ceramic ensures reliability. Quartz ceramic is a non-metal material that can withstand temperatures over 1650摄氏度, making it ideal for use in the metallurgical and petrochemical industries. Its high temperature resistance ensures that it can produce various high-temperature resistant products without failing.